presenting the news of the September month.
Hi Snapika, I'm very excited to present the news of this September month. This month was full of competitive spirit as we have participated in SGF games.
Yes, it's true. Not only that, but there were so many joyful and energetic celebrations too.
I agree. With the same energy, let us present the news of the September month. Hello everyone, welcome to GHS West Maritpalli News. I am Sai Moksha.
And I am Snapika. Today's headlines. Nati for Coconut and Nutrition Day by Pre-Primary.
Awards for IIT JEE.
Teachers' Day celebrations and felicitation by TPTLF.
Vinayaka Chaturthi and Grandparents' Day celebrations.
Telangana Telugu Bhasha Dinotsavam.
SIP Abacus Genius Contest Round 1.
Intra-School Competition Awards, CC Awards and Star Student Awards.
Yellow Color Week.
Bal Vikas.
CCA poster making on peace and non-violence and roleplay on gratitude and thankful tree activity by pre-primary.
Hindi Divas celebration.
SGF games.
Essay 1 exams.
World Heart Day.
PTM for grades 6 to 10.
Birthdays.
Pre-primary children celebrated Coconut Day on 3rd. A fun-filled day of activities and learning as the teacher explained about the tree of life and its uses. Also the advantages of the fruit and tree.
IIT and JEE toppers from grades 6 to 10th were awarded for their remarkable results and excellence.
Teachers' Day was celebrated with incredible fervour and zeal by the students of Geetanjali High School. The students expressed their heartfelt gratitude to their teachers by offering Pada Puja. Students brightened the celebration with their mesmerizing dance performances, beautiful songs enacted as teachers in classroom skits, arranged ramp-walk games and also presented gifts to the teachers. Senior teachers Mrs. Asha Gupta and Ms. Geeta Sabish were felicitated by the Telangana Private Teachers Lecturers Federation for their dedication and untiring service in nurturing the children's future over these years.
A joyous occasion that celebrates the birth of Lord Ganesh is a popular festival celebrated all over the world. Principal Mrs. Veda Kumari began the fest vibes by lamp lighting and the day added with many more rituals. Geetanjali has embraced the glory of this festival in order to gain success in all their endeavour. The campus was graced with the blessings of Lord Ganesha, eco-friendly idol placed and worshipped. The students prayed for immense indisputable wisdom and knowledge.
Also, Grandparents' Day was a day dedicated to show love and gratitude by the grandchildren. They were welcomed by ramp walk with their grandchildren, followed by fun activities like identifying the grandparents' old pictures by the grandchildren and vice versa. Was very entertaining and everyone enjoyed the participation. The winners of this game were awarded with badges. Another game of painting the portrait of their grandparents in the photo frame got a laudable applause. The grandparents expressed their heartfelt views and appreciated the school and the management for inculcating values among students by organizing such events.
Telugu Bhasha Dinotsavam was celebrated with a special assembly on 9th September. Students enacted as poets of yesteryears and versed their poems. Poetry recitations by Master Kaustuba as Kavi Paddana, Master Lalit as Kavi Tikkana, Master Daksh as Kavi Potana, Master Parinika as Kavaitri Mulla was so mesmerizing. Telugu song by Miss Lakshmi Shriya was too melodious. Speech by Miss Kavya on the importance of Telugu language was nicely presented that reflected the rich cultural heritage of the Telugu language. Principal Miss Veda Kumari inspired us with a very inspiring story of a guru and a shishya, where it shows that we can achieve anything with hard work and perseverance. This event deepened our respect and appreciation for Telugu, bringing its vibrant legacy to life. It is rightly said, language is the roadmap of a culture. It tells you where its people come from and where they are going.
SIP Abacus Genius Contest Round 1 was conducted to inculcate time management and easy calculations in Abacus. Winners of intra-school literacy competitions were awarded and CCA awards and the Star Student of the Month were presented to the winners in each section. Kindergarten Gurus marked another week of joy and energy on Young Full Yellow Color Week celebrations. The motto behind this week was to make the kids aware of the color yellow, its significance, and to develop the fine motor skills in the students. The EP young ones sparkled in the yellow attire, and the week gained more attractions with the dots' delightful performances like singing, dancing, and literary talk about yellowy objects was the highlight.
Education beyond books is focused through students participating in vivid activities at Geetanjali Westmadpally. Students are encouraged to bring out their hidden talent by conducting an enlightenment program through Bal Vikas, an exemplary backup to overcome inhibitions and take over the stage. Through this program, pupils will take part in areas of their interest like singing, classical and semi-classical, dancing, speaking skills, instrumental, and the list doesn't stop here. We can see more students' participation and growing towards excellence in their chosen art forms.
Co-curricular activities cheer up the students by providing them an opportunity to gain experience in vivid areas. Students participated in poster making on peace and non-violence, also showcased their talent in role play on gratitude.
To commemorate the adoption of Hindi as the official language of India, Hindi Divas was celebrated on September 14th. Geetanjalians present beautiful speeches. Students of grade 3rd to 5 enacted a skit, danced and explained through this importance of Hindi language. The act of grade 3 to 5 as Matre was mesmerizing and was applauded for once more. Shairi by Miss Sri Diksha was enjoyed and echoed by the audience. It's an opportunity to promote Hindi language and literature and to encourage its use in daily life. It is a proud moment to participate and get recognized among 25 schools. Our Kho team secured their place in quarterfinals from Westmadpally zone. Our Kabaddi teams reached semi-finals. Not only this, the participants were appreciated for their outstanding sportsmanship.
In discus throw under 14 girls category, Sai Snapika and Danyashri from grade 8 stood 7th and 10th places respectively. Under 14 boys category, Taman from grade 7 stood in 4th place in shot put. Under 17 girls category, Sutapa Jana from grade 9 stood in 4th place in discus throw. Under 17 boys category, Armanuddin from grade 10th stood in 5th place in shot put and 6th place in discus throw. Total 15 members participated in the Hyderabad district level athletics tournament.
From our Geetanjali school, Kabaddi and Kho players are selected for district level tournaments. Havisha Raj from grade 6 got selected for under 14 girls Kabaddi, Sanvika from grade 7 for Kho, Varun Harsha, Sri Sai and Harsha from grade 7 got selected for Kho. Under 17 boys, Ajay from grade 10 got selected for Kabaddi.
SA1 exams for grade 1 to 5 was conducted from 23rd to 30th September.
Geetanjali High School, West Maridpally, celebrated World Heart Day to raise the awareness in collaboration with KIMS Hospital about the heart diseases and its preventive measures to manage the cardiovascular diseases. Children from grade 4 and 5 showcased the importance of healthy heart through a mesmerizing skit, healthy heart slogans, hearty facts and Zumba dance. Inquisitive questions from students, teachers and parents were answered patiently by the doctor, which was very interactive and knowledgeable. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation demonstration by Sister Aruna to show the steps in life-saving CPR was very helpful and informative.
PTM for FA2 was successfully conducted and parents shared their valuable feedback. Students celebrated their birthday by donating a book to the library or sapling to the school. Thank you for joining us.
Until next time, take care and have a fantastic day. Stay tuning us for the timely updates.
Until then, take care and have a fantastic day.
This is Sai Snapika
and this is Sai Moksha
signing off.